Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to make a resume on Google Docs in two ways. First with template, second without template. In first method, we're using template. First step, open your Google Docs and sign in your Google account. After that, tap on template gallery. Now in resume section, choose one of these resume templates. For example, I choose this one, click on it. Now as you see, we have a resume document and you can edit this resume and put your data in any section. In first section, in your name and address, in experience, skills, education, awards. After that, you edit this document and put your information. We can download this document as a PDF and send to everyone we want. For example, for download this document as a PDF, on the top, click on File. From Download section, click on PDF document or .pdf format. Now wait to download. After download, open it, and as you see, our resume was download like a PDF and we can send to everyone we want. And in second method, we make a resume without template. For that, open a blank document, and now we must prepare this document for make a resume. For that, on the top, click on File, and from Page Setup, click on it. We must choose orientation in portrait and margins in 1 inch for all section. After that, click on OK. Now your font size must be between 10 and 12, and your line and paragraph spacing must be between 1.15 and 1.5. Based on your choose, you can choose one of them. After that, you must put any title on resume. For example, your name, your skill, and I wrote that part. And now as you see, we have a contact information. You can write contact information, include full name, address, and more. You can bold this section. We have a objective section. Based on your choose, you can add more. And education, we have a professional experience. You can add this one right in your document. Skills and certification and training, award and honors, reference, and more based on your resume type. After that, also we can make more change. For example, we can separate any section with line. For example, I want separate contact information section with objective. Click on this between line between them, and on the top, click on insert. From drawing, click on new, and on the top tools, click on line and draw a line. Now change the line weight, for example, and click on save and close. You can copy this line between any section and separate them. Also, you can use more line or photo and make a lot of change based on your needs and type of your resumes. After any information you add in your resumes, you can download this document as a PDF. Again, click on File and from Download section, choose PDF document.pdf. Now wait to download. Click on and open it. As you see, our document now download as a PDF. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.